village with us. This our brother cried out about what the insecurity in his own village in Anambra State, in Lilo. I thought that this town is in Imo State, but from what I can see, I hear from him now is that he's in Anambra State. Anyway, let us listen to him because what he said here, he made some revelation about what is going on in Lilo, and he happened to be an indigenous person of Lilo. But there's something he said here that personally I somehow disagree. But let's hear him for before we can, discuss that. Very, very important.
Bear on social media. I'm going to speak. Ezike Paul Tobechukwu does not have a village currently. Listen to this video and share it. If you're from Anambra State, Enugu, Imo, Ebonyi, Abia State, I'm from Anambra State. My village is Lilu. L-I-L-U. L-I-L-U. Lilu is a village in Ihiala local government area. It's a town, of course. It used to be a town, now it's a desert. Lilu is a town in Ihiala local government area of Anambra State. Ihiala is the last local government you will pass through before you leave Anambra State and proceed either Ngbedi Imo State through the express or by the bypass of Ihiala, Olo in Imo State. So my village is in a border state of Imo State and Anambra State, Lilu. The last time I traveled to my village, this is a very disappointing statement, but I need to say it because I'm not the cause of the problem. But I want to use my platform that I have because I've not heard this go into the media. It's like people are closing it from going out. But I'm here to scream it out. For the past 3 years, a lot of people from my village have not gone home. The last time I visited my village, I think that was 2020 February for a program. Since then till now, the insecurity in my village is making me not to go to my village. My village. We talk say if you get problem fast, I go and go your village. Right now, no get village. All these risks where they take, they talk about people. My village now, they under siege. No, when they talk of kidnapping, insecurity in Anambra State, I'm coming in another video because Anambra State as a full state does not have security. The governor Soludo is aware of it. Soludo Chukuma, professor, is aware that there is no security in Anambra State. I'm coming with proof in another video, but make I talk about my village first. Charity begins at home. Some time ago, we buried my grandma. Why didn't I post videos of a burial on social media? Because nobody could gather. The bad boys, the insurgents, the bad boys in the bush, 20% are from Anambra State, 30% are from Enugu State, 50% are from Ebonyi State. I don't know that's Abakaliki or not. They are from Ebonyi State. Real information, not gossiping or spoiling anybody's state. And they left the estate, came to my village.
So this is the part that got me, questioning everything that this guy is saying here. What is his own, measure? Like, what did he use to measure the percentage of people that he's talking about? That few are from Anambra, the other one from Imo State, the other one from Enugu State, Ebonyi State, and all that. Trying to paint Igbo nation bad because you want to you have view on your video. You want people to start clapping for you, and I'm not saying that you don't have any criminality in Igbo land, like Igbo person you get it being and the kidnapper or anything. That's not what I'm saying. But what he said here destroyed everything all the good point that he was trying to highlight, or the problem. Is Lulu facing insecurity challenges? Yes. The issue is that who is behind this security? Is it people from Anambra, Enugu, Imo, and the boy, like he's saying here? This is what you get, or what you have when you listen to people who don't grow up in village, people who lived all their life in Lagos, outside the land. They always come out with this notion that their problem is their people. Their problem is Yes, you have people from Anambra that are criminals. You have people from Enugu, all these states, yes, just like you have in Oyo State, in Kano State, in Zamfara State, in Lagos State. Every state have this kind of challenges. But why must this guy focus on people from his own state or his origin, painting them bad because he want to prove a point? If he don't want to talk about herdsmen, he don't want to talk about, these are real fact. This is not fabricated story. Something that the whole nation are crying for. Something that the whole nations are complaining about. Not from one region. He ignored it and started telling you that 80% is from this, 60% is from that. Then he claimed that for 3 years he have not been in his village. Then how did you measure the number of the insecurity people that are behind the insecurity in your village when you are unable to go to your village? I would like to, please, if you know this, maybe if you know him or you are aware of this kind of how he got the figure, the percentage. I'm interested on that because I don't think what he's saying here is true. Okay, let's continue.
And they are in different camps in different bush. If you are a good traveler, if normally you travel from Onitsha to Owerri, passing through here like is a fearful experience. That one where you dey see in elementary, that one be say shop dey open at all. What I'm telling you is that every building, every house, the one I learned right now is that every house in my village right now is closed. The king of my community has run away from the village. The king, Igbo. These bad boys burnt down his palace. The boys in the bush say they don't want to see anybody in the. There is no sin. If you go to my village, a full village that used to have fun during Christmas period. Last week here, one of my uncles, Emekoli Kenyi, they buy him, removing head. My uncle, I know him. The guy they try make peace, no peace. They catch him. I can't play some videos here. Maybe I am going to drop, these are sensitive videos. We carry Aurora and some things. I'm going to drop some videos in our WhatsApp channel. I'm let the video go there. I cannot post it on Facebook or Instagram or TikTok or YouTube because of community standard. I don't get village aside so. If you want to, nobody have done marriage in my village for the past 3 years. Nobody. If you want to marry again now from my village, they go need. Have you people wondered sometimes why some rich men they go they carry their wedding, marriage, burial out from some part of Anambra State into Oka, Onitsha, Asaba? Have you wondered this is the reason? I don't know why they are not doing anything about it. The politicians are quiet. The big business moguls are quiet. I am speaking so that they can take action. You can't keep on running off from your village. You can't keep on developing other people's town and village, and your village is a desert. When I went to the village, we had to even negotiate with the bad. You need to negotiate with the bad boys for you to come and bury. We buried the 97-year-old great grandmother. That woman is a great grand, my grandmom. She's my grandmom, and I have children, and she has many great grandchildren. We buried her like a 6-year-old child. You cannot play. You as in canon. You cannot play canon. You can't play music. You can't cry. The boys in the bush are controlling what is happening. I'm using this opportunity to call on the Commissioner of Police, Anambra State, CP Nnage Obono Itam. Lilu needs your help. Lilu needs your interference. The APGA chairman of Ihiala local government area, Engineer Anna Yochuku Ojiako. Lilu, a village in the local government you represent, Adagasiaga, Utugohia. All the beautiful buildings in Lilu right now have been burnt down, broken with stones. The boys don't burn down some buildings. They live for some buildings. All the wires, electric wires has been taken off. They don't carry them. They don't sell them. I'm calling on the member representing Ihiala Federal Constituency, House of Reps, Green Chambers, Dr. Pascal Agbodike, to come to the help of Lilu. The late Senator Fanyoba is actually the senator representing Anambra South. It's actually late. Governor Chukuma Soludo, there is no growth and development in the midst of insecurity. You cannot be the governor of a state and strangers come into your state and chase away the indigenes of a state from their house. It's unheard of anywhere. So I'm doing this video to create the first awareness, because I'm going to scream. I'm going to scream, and nothing on earth to stop me from screaming. I don't have a village. Thousands of people.
Honestly, I feel his pain. For you not to have a village is a very, very painful experience. I understand what he's saying, but my own problem is, or my concern is, who is the one behind this insecurity? Because last time I checked, I saw a video. I've seen a video, not before this video actually, of Nigerian military presence in this Lulu, fighting and buying people in the name of going after the bad boys, like he said. Even though the people that he called bad boys, some people say that they are not actually bad boys, that these are people that politicians, build for their own, interest. Some say that these are people, UGM or non-government people that we don't know where they come from and all that. But why I'm highlighting on that, because this guy made mention of where they come from and their percentage, meaning that he knows a lot about them. So anybody that's going to, assist or engage them needs a kind of information that will gonna help them. Because if I thought what he said is true, for example, which I don't think is true, because if that, how can these people from social places, be well armed to the extent that Nigerian army cannot face them? Do you understand? So I don't know, but if you know, please put it on comment section. Let's continue, because I don't want to interrupt him again. And please, if you have not liked this video, what are you waiting for? Like the video and tell us your own take on that. Do you agree or disagree? Subscribe to the channel if you are new. God bless you.
Lilu, they didn't come home for Christmas. They've not been coming home. For how long are we going to continue to allow this happen? Why are we allowing this happen? What are the benefits of allowing strangers to come and take over your land? I want you to help me share this video and to tag the people I just mentioned in this video. If you are from Anambra State, tomorrow, please share this into different WhatsApp groups. If you are from here at a local government area, share this video into different WhatsApp group of here at a local government area. Different villages, Azia, Amo, Kalilu. Share it. It's gradually spreading. As I talk now, today is 15th of January 2025. Nobody can cross Lil. The boys in the bush, the remaining people in the village, women and children, they chase them out. So they have taken siege. All the bushes, all the coral in Lil, they have occupied everywhere, and they've chased everybody out from their own hometown. Where is this done? There is no growth. There is no development in the midst of insecurity. If we are going to use the military, okay, but those I mentioned, they know what to do. You cannot be a leader of a place and the people from that place don't even have a home of their own. Election can they to vote. If not true soldiers, military, okay. If not to negotiate to the boys who did this push, send to them, may they find their way. Okay, I'm not a security personnel. I don't know how to tackle insurgency. But it will be a theme of big shame, to have a platform like this and to keep quiet when I don't have a hometown. My hometown has been taken over by boys that call themselves different names with different commandants in different camps. Please help me to share this video. Enough is enough. It might spread to different villages if this particular one is allowed to continue. I want to stop here for now because my heart is